All right, we're here in middle of nowhere, I-5 South, heading to Johnson Valley. Check out this sweet Foster freeze. Seen better days. Well, we got the rig all hooked up and we're heading down to Johnson Valley for the first real test with the buggy. Gonna be awesome. I did get the 4.7 gear set put in the transfer case. Really excited to test it out in some hard stuff. I've got about 4 more hours of driving and we'll be on the lake bed. So let's do it. Look at this thing. It's like a show car. Got the big screen TV in here. This sparkly paint. Everything's new. What would you like to say to your followers about your new rig?
I hope I don't scratch it today.
Yeah, tell me about this paint. Did you do this yourself? I can see the drip marks.
Yeah. I hit the air valve on the gun and it peed on my hood.
Still looks really nice.
Yeah. When I get a chance, I'll sand it out and reshoot it. I ain't got time for that. So.
What was that? Oh yeah, just talking about Johnson Valley.
Thank you, boys.
Yep. All right, we're getting late in the day here on the first day, and we did a ton of trails. Buggy has done really great. We had a bunch of people with us, and we didn't have really any issues. We went up Sledge Hammer, down Bender Alley, up Wrecking Ball, down Claw Hammer, up some other trail, and now we're right over by the sand dune, and I'm gonna film the whole crew coming by. Here comes Baker in his new ride. Looks a little bouncy. I know he's still working on getting the suspension figured out. Sounds good though. Here comes Baja Jeep. Oh yeah. There's Kevin. His Jeep's been to Pismo too many times. Here's my dad and his F-Toy. That thing doesn't like to go fast. And his friend Carlos, original owner CJ7. Last but not least, Kevin, XJ Buggy. Baker's gonna try backdoor. What do we think is gonna happen?
He's not gonna make it.
What?
He's not gonna make it.
Wow. That's rough. So what happened?
I'm sad.
You got denied, didn't you?
Yeah, backdoored me, hit my taint hole. No, well, I didn't have
So what is it going to take to get up it?
more horsepower and stickier tires.
And more drinks.
Yeah, I might have
Maybe
to start,
darkness would help.
I might have to drink beer.
Pick up your trash, you animals.
Skinny cans. Like truly, I saw a hole in the side of it.
Alright, we're heading up Bonnet Canyon. The plan is to go up Bonnet and then Highway 19 and 20 and see what time it is. Nice and easy, it'll go right up. Stay straight, stay straight. Okay. Right there. Wow. Nice. Oh man, second time I've done this. Camera falls off, and then this time we just had 4 rigs go right over it. It's a miracle it didn't get run over. But we just turned the corner into Highway 19 and 20 trails, so let's see how this goes. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who like rock crawling and all kinds of other shenanigans we get into. All right, let's keep it going. You're good right there.